Okay, students, here are some meanings given to the words. Write them out in your books on a sticky notepad, paste it, then you can learn it also. Okay, understood? Okay, now the next part is open your book at page number 2, turn over it, and then read from the book. What is it? Use the indefinite articles a and n when you mention something for the first time. Okay, use a and n. Now you have to write down the usage of a and n article when you talk about something that you are going to mention for the first time. As I say that I have a dog, first time when you talk about something you will write an indefinite article. I have a dog, you have written a. For the second time in the same paragraph you will write the definite article, because then the dog becomes a definite one. How? Listen the example. I have a dog. The dog is very brave. The dog is very loyal. Okay, so when you are talking about something for the first time you write the article a or an, but when you are talking about the thing again and again in the same paragraph you will choose the definite article the. Understand everyone? Okay, let's read from the book. Use the indefinite article a and n when you mention something for the first time. When you refer to it again, use the definite article the. Okay, understand? When you talk about the same thing second time you will use the. The definite article is also used when you are referring to a particular special thing, such as the Singapore River, the railway road, the Ravi River, and same like that, so on. Okay, understood? Okay, at the same time, you can also have a look at the article. The definite article can be used with both singular and plural nouns. Okay, the definite article, the is a definite article. It can be used both for singular and plural nouns. Understand? The definite article is not used when a place is visited or used for its normal purpose. Okay. The definite article is not used when we will not use the definite article when a place is visited or used for its normal purpose. Okay, but is used when you are referring to a particular one. Okay, at the time when you are talking about some specific one, then you will use the word the. For example, we went to church on Sunday. So you are visiting a place. We went to church on Sunday. To the church is wrong one. You just write we went to church on Sunday. Again, what you will do? You will use the definite article the. The church I go to is on the hill. Understand? So definite article the is not used when a place is visited, but is used when you are referring to a particular one. जब आप उसको refer करें then we shall write about that. Okay students, now do the part B. Complete the sentences by adding definite or indefinite articles. Now you have understood about definite or indefinite articles. You have to fill this given paragraph according to that. Okay, Perth is a very beautiful city. Now we are talking about a particular city name, that is Perth, situated on the Swan River. So the name of the river is specific one, so we have used the definite article the. Again we are talking about the city, so first time we have written a, but first time we have written about the city a. Okay, For the next time, second time when you are talking about, then you will write about the capital city of the state of Western Australia. Visitors to Perth always visit Kings Park, which is a science natural bush area overlooking the city. In the park, there is a war memorial from which visitors can see the whole city as well as the tributaries of the Swan River. In the park, there is also a cross section of an ancient tree. Now, an is written with ancient because this word starts with a vowel A. Okay, that gives an insight. Again, here is an, and an is written with a word that starts with a vowel letter. So, an insight into how old some of the Western Australian trees are. You will certainly want to see the wildflowers. A wildflower festival is held in spring every year. Okay, understood everyone? Complete it in your grammar books and also learn them carefully. This is the work for today. Okay.